Let's go.
Alright guys, welcome back. We're out in the big boat today. We've just been cruising around most of the day. I don't really have any marks in the sounder, so we've just been sort of doing a bit of a recon run looking for marks and just cruising at a nice steady speed and sort of trying to pick up bottom and seeing what we can find. So we found a few spots so far. I'm going to throw that footage in shortly and we'll start there, and then we've just pulled up now on a nice big rock and got a few fish on the sounder, so I'll show you that. And we're going to drive back up and get into them. I've got Chris and Jamie here. Jamie, Chris, but yeah, we all got the slow pitch gear going. My combo, that's the new Elementus from Ocean's Legacy. It's just a P3. It's got a nice soft tip with a really fast action. Just that nice crisp tip, gives that nice walk the dog action, gets the lure popping really well. I'm fishing a little 100-gram slow black. That's an R model, which is a slightly longer and wider body, which gets a nice big wide kick on the drop and walks the dog really well on the lift. And I've just got a P3 Sunline Siglon and a 130-pound Sunline NY System shock leader, which is a nylon material, so it's nice and stretchy and also adds a bit more pop to the jig. The boys are both fishing 100-gram R slow black, same as me, just different colours, so we're going to see how we go on this drift. Alright, you see that, we've just come through, driven over, we've just seen the tiniest little mark, and that's fish sitting close to the bottom, but because we were cruising, they only look really small, so we're just going to drive back up on them now. And I know which way we're drifting north to south, so we're just going to get up on the north side of it and then come back through, so see how we go here. What time was that tide change? It was ages ago, eh?
7:40 was high tide, I think.
Yeah. A bit of bottom coming. Yep. Oh. He didn't know what was happening then. Like a squid bite. Extra weight. Yeah, we're coming into him now. Yeah. Oi, that's a bend in the rod, mate. New rod's bending. Oh man, I'm out Timbuktu. You got a call? You know what do you reckon? Yeah, you slowed down a bit. Are you still fighting? Oh no, look at the spirals around your line. Really? You got like the small fish curse on that new rod. Alright. This is no joke this time. Straight into it. Yeah, it's getting smacked, eh?
Whatever Mick's charging you, man, I'll pay double.
Price is going up by the minute. Got a bit going on. He's feeding you, isn't he? On the pause? Did you watch that?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to be on any second now, Jamie.
Oh.
I was due for a good session in this boat. Oh man, that sound is lit up. You're going to be on any second, Jamie. Oh, starting to get some arm pump going.
There you go.
I've got colour. I reckon whatever you got for Demon compared to mine. This thing is pretty tame. It's the right colour.
Oh,
Big.
big spangle.
Spangle.
Yeah.
That'll be spangles.
Holy moly. Size of it.
Oh, yeah. Oh no, sharks are here.
You can have that though.
Another China.
China.
I reckon this one possibly gets fished a bit, eh?
Oh, come on.
You're gonna get eaten. He's just got eaten.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't even hold that.
Yeah.
That was on the trot then.
He just got bitten in half. Did he get? Oh no, he didn't. I think he did just get bitten in half then. Oh, I've got colour.
He's got something there. It's the right colour on it.
Is that another spangle?
Spangle. Another big spangle. Oh,
There's a shark after him. Oh. Yeah.
beauty.
You want him? Yep.
Yeah. I'll take him.
That looks like a big sea monster. Here we go. Oh, missed him. Baby, come back.
On the paws.
Oh, was that one? Nice one.
This thing doesn't really know it's hooked yet.
No.
It's heavy.
Oh. Nice, big nice.
Yeah! This is the best bend I've had all day.
Yeah.
Head shakes on it. Oh man,
He's bumper.
this could be the one.
Must be in that drift line I put us on.
Definitely was, man. There's colour. It's the right colour.
Oh, it's a clubber. It's a clubber.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah, boy. Nice one, mate.
Yeah! Yeah. Nice nanny. It's a slow black 100R. H528's the colour. Pink lure and pink fish. It's going straight in the esky and we're going to go back down. Game on. Alright, that's all we're fishing there. It's just a tiny little lump and it's just a little bit of hard bottom, some soft corals on top, and there's some fish starting to show in front. Now we're just going to pull up, just up on top of our drift up here, as we've done for the last couple of drifts. I'm just going to drift back on it, and we're only getting really short little drifts here, so we won't have too much time, but we'll have to just get down quick and you get one sort of crack at it, and then we'll come back up and do it again. What is this throbbing thing? I thought it was a mac tuna. Oh, trouty, eh? It's given up. No, it's not a trout. A little grassy. There's hook hanging out. Baby grassy. You can go home. Alright, that's one we just went past now, so we'll drive back up on it. I'll just zoom in so we get nice and tight to it. And we'll go and have a look there. This one's going to have fish. Come on, light up. Just go up the top side of it. I reckon it's still worth a drift. Definitely, there we go. That's what you're looking for. Happy days. Now, hookup is imminent. Coming up on the rock now. And I'm down. You just get a hit. He's on. Yeah. Jamie's on. Over the back. Looks decent. There you go.
go, we're drifting over his fish now. Turn the motor the wrong way. That's why we're swimming sideways. Holy, that sounder is off chop. Oh, I just got whacked so hard, man. We got a double. Let's go, trifecta. Yes! Boys are on. Oh man, that rock. Look at what we didn't even see that, bro. That's an 8 metre high rock.
Oh
Is it? Get him on the deck and I'll get these ones up. Oh, good fish. Oh, that sounder is off its head. Okay, and that's why you don't just go to the same mark every day. What have I got? Oh, mine's a trevally. It's a G. What do you got? Big trout.
Yeah!
Oh.
Yes!
Mick can take the trash.
Yeah, that's a nice fat trout on the green and gold. The Sea Rangers
And on the silver,
and Spango.
nice Spango.
Yeah, straight silver. And then look at that trophy. That's the trophy.
And look at that, double pin too, both hooks.
See, that's 40 kilos. This is a size 24 foot. We are on. Man, what a spot.
That time of day.
Pretty good at finding spots, eh?
It's that time of day, man, too, I reckon.
Yeah. I'm happy to cruise back in. I'll give you guys a nice sunset tour on the way back. That's free of charge. Comes with the raffle prize you won for subscribing. Hookup's imminent. Oh, we've missed the drift slightly. That was a good trout too, huh? Very solid, fat guts on it. I think we might just drift off the side of it this time. There's something large in there, coming up to the rock now. We've fully just come off the side of it, eh? I can't believe I got a GT.
You were saying earlier you'd take a trevally.
Yeah, I did. There he is. You're getting smoked, lad. You got him coming? Look at that rod bend, that's awesome. What are you calling?
Hit on the pools, that one.
Yeah. All right. All right, I'm going to grab the camera and show you what's happening over here. Jamie's getting pizzled. Get him, lad. What do we got? Don't let this one get you on the prop, mate. Net's out. Whoa. Sorry.
Nice man.
I reckon it's a nanny. Should be a good one if it is. Reddy would have had a few more bigger runs, I would think. It's the right colour. Uh-oh.
Oh my god. It's a big trout.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Holy bro. That's the biggest bar cheek. Oh, how are we going to do justice to that fish? Oh, he just shot everywhere. Yeah, lad.
Nice fish.
Man, that is a beast trout in there. Holy, he'd be a good 70 centimetre trout, eh? Easy.
There's another one. On the silver slow element.
Slow black.
Slow black. Double hooked. Both.
He's
in
a
the gob.
beast, man.
Nice fish.
That's a weapon. Good
Thank
work.
you.
We'll go back up. Woo! Yeah. Hookup is coming. If I can get it through all that crap. Just on the pause at the top, eh? Again! Oh, he had you in the bottom then. He's going again. Jamie, play some for us, mate. Oh, come on, where's my triple? All right, here we go. Come on. My technique is perfect. Oh, that sound is off its head. I'm going to be late to the party. They love silver jigs, eh, trout? You know what else loves silver jigs?
Red.
Mackerel. I've totally missed out here. Did I just hear leader? Yep. Trout?
He's a dirty old red bloody bastard.
Oh yeah, they're tasty. What do you got? Big grassy. Oh, beast grassy. I can't believe he bricked it twice, hey? Alright. I missed out.
I got him in the eye.
Sad face. Oh no, no sad face!
Maybe not.
I'm back on. We're on here. I reckon we've got a lip or two. Keep them up for the can. Yeah, don't lick him yet. He just started swimming at me. What do we got? It's rotating. Oh, have you ever seen a stripey that big? That's a beast stripey. Stripey! This man, sorry. Let's chuck that there. Oh, nice grassy. It's a dinosaur.
Yeah. And another one on the
Little bastard
silver.
lipper. They're pretty tasty, them things, man. Very underrated fish.
We'll take him.
All right, back up again.
That's stacked. All right, so that's what we're fishing there. From that little tiny bump we seen, that was this mark up here. Just out off it, because of the wide cone of the transducer. We just had a little scan around and look at that. There's a good sized rock there. Just out to the side here a bit more, there's a bit more solid structure. It actually comes up quite a lot higher than that, but that's pretty much what we're hitting now. We're going to do 1 or 2 more drifts and then shoot in.
It must be just on the edge of it. Silver's going off. This is where you hook up, and then I'll hook up way down the line. On a stripey. That was definitely a bite. What happened there? There's a fish on there, is it? It's heavy. I've got something small, eh? Oh, you don't.
I think I'm in the bottom.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, what? I thought that just got chewed on. This thing is not even shaking its head. I reckon I got a piece of coral. Oh. I called it. Back up for another one. Just look at that. Lad's on fire.
There you go, another trout on the silver.
Silver's killing it.
Silver is happening.
All right, let's call it.
Yeah.
All right, that's us. We're gonna head back in for our sunset cruise now. Overall, it was a pretty good day. It was a little bit slow this morning. I didn't film the whole day. We did have a whole bunch of exploring there where it was just really sort of steady. A lot of the spots we found were sort of like one fish wonders. You get one up and yeah, it was sort of shut down after that, but overall pretty good. That last spot we found was pretty awesome. We're actually drifting over new ground now, so yeah, there's plenty out here. So I hear a lot of people whinging about sharks. Sharks are pretty bad, there is a lot of them, but if you're not fishing the same spot every time, you don't really have a problem. The only time we saw sharks today was on one very distinct bommy, which I think would get a fair bit of attention, but other than that, we haven't been hassled all day. By this stage, we've pretty much got, we'll be going close to filling that esky, so we got plenty of fish there. The boys are going to have some fun filleting them, but yeah, like I said, overall pretty good day. I think he would have caught a few more fish if Jamie took the plastic off his hooks.
Amen.
Always check your hooks. But yeah,
100%.
couple there, couple in there. The boys are going to get started and we're going to cruise in, put our feet up, autopilot on. Anyway, thanks for watching. While you're here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Peace.